Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of women's healthcare and discussing the importance of hormones such as human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, luteinizing hormone, LH, and follicle-stimulating hormone, FSH, in women's reproductive health. Let's start with luteinizing hormone. In order for pregnancy to occur, the egg must be fertilized by sperm within 24 hours after its release. Immediately prior to ovulation, the body produces a large amount of luteinizing hormone, LH, which triggers the release of a ripened egg from the ovary. This LH surge usually takes place in the middle of the menstrual cycle. So knowing your LH hormone level can help women understand what's going on in their bodies. Human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, is a hormone produced by the developing placenta and secreted into the urine. Therefore, women can find out whether they are pregnant by testing the HCG level in their urine. Besides that, HCG is responsible for maintaining the production of other essential hormones, such as progesterone, which is crucial for sustaining a healthy pregnancy. If LH is responsible for triggering the release of an egg from the ovary, while FSH helps stimulate the growth of follicles in the ovaries. Aging causes the female body to produce less and less estrogen, while increasing the production of FSH. Therefore, testing FSH can help determine whether a woman is in perimenopause. If a woman knows she is perimenopausal, she can take the appropriate steps to keep her body healthy and avoid the health risks associated with menopause, which include osteoporosis, increased blood pressure and cholesterol, and increased risk of heart disease. Understanding the role of hormones such as HCG, LH, and FSH is crucial for women's healthcare. So we launched the Sejoy Women Healthcare Strip Cassette that can detect 3 hormones in women. The Sejoy Women Healthcare Strip Cassette is designed to provide accurate and reliable results, giving women the peace of mind they need when monitoring their fertility hormones. The convenience of being able to perform these tests at home is invaluable, especially for women who are trying to conceive or are monitoring their reproductive health. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about our Women Healthcare Strip Cassette, visit our website for more information. Take control of your reproductive health with Sejoy.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform